Coda combines the comfort of docs, the power of databases, and connectivity by integrating with other tools all in one space, a Coda doc. Coda can be a replacement for word processors, spreadsheets, and even more elaborate tools. Now, Coda docs have pages, and on those pages, you'll see things like tables, text, buttons, links, images, and a lot more. Everything inside a Coda doc has been created by users to hopefully give you just what you need right where you need it. Now, this is one example of a Coda doc. It's a product team hub. Collaboration will be more meaningful with our features like reactions, buttons, comments, suggest changes, tables with personalized filtering, and a lot more. Now, this doc has some embedded pages with a Miro board and Figma mocks that appear as if they were just another page in your Coda doc. So what are some examples of how others are actually using Coda? Well, let me show you a few things. I want to give you a rundown of my day and how I use Coda docs to give you some examples. First thing, I'm going to come into my home base doc. This is a doc that I've built. I've got my to-do list on here. I'm able to see a snapshot of what I'm working on. I've even pulled in my Google Calendar via a pack to see what meetings I have for today. Next thing, I'm going to come into my notebook. I've added a row to this table where I'm then able to open up this Canvas column and take notes to prep for my meeting today. This is also where I'll take notes during the meeting that are just for me and private. Next up, I'm going to come into my one-on-one doc. This is shared with my supervisor, and we both put in agenda items for things that we want to discuss for our meeting. I also add my sentiment weekly, so my supervisor knows how I'm feeling as I head into my meeting. All right, I need to check on this product launch, so I'm going to come into the product hub, and I'm going to open up this row for the Milky Way expansion project and see what the progress is on it. Now I can get a snapshot of what's going on with this project and others, and I can also see mocks from Figma right here in my doc with embedded content. I can interact with it and see everything I need right in one place. We're in the middle of the quarter, and so I want to come in and also update my progress on our OKRs. So I'm going to add an update about how my progress is going with my OKR. Now, this is going to be visible to pretty much everyone at my company, so they can see what's going on with my work, and I can check in on others. That visibility is really key for my company. Last thing, I forgot that my partner is at the grocery store, and I didn't update our shopping list, so I'm going to jump into my personal doc here that keeps track of meal planning. So let's click and see what meal we're having today. Okay, I'm going to add these shopping items to our list, and my partner's able to pull it up right from her phone, and she's got everything she needs to get the groceries to keep us going. Well, I've done a lot in these 2 minutes, so I think I'm going to get a coffee and shut my laptop.